Hello beautiful devs, in this short video I will explain how you can change the author details. So for example, here you can see that in our website, if we click on any articles, you will see that there will be detail of the author here. Okay, you can see here is the author, and there are no much details here. So how we can customize these details? So let's go here, and on the right side on the top you can click on edit profile, and you can definitely manage different users as well, and they can actually edit their own profiles, and they can manage their own settings. So here you can see we have the personal options, etc., and then site default, and the first name and the last name is here, and I will just name it okay, let's make it Waqas and Khalid, which is my original name. And then here you can see we have admin, so let's change it to Pakistani TV, and here I will just name it admin like this. Okay, you can definitely use your own style. And then here you can see we have admin, Waqas Khalid, and Pakistani TV admin, and there are some names here. So we will use this Pakistani TV admin name, and then you can contact infos are here, and we will definitely change it to info@Pakistani TV, which email we have actually created in our cPanel, and that will be the main email. And then definitely if you have some social media links, you can add here, and then we have certain Google Plus username, and then a little biography you can add here. So I will add a little biography here from the Facebook. I will just copy and paste the things so that we will save our time. So let's go to about and details, and let's copy it, come here and paste here. And that was my old account, so now it's 16 plus of years of experience in the field of IT, web apps, website, 3D models, games. Okay, that's everything is good. And now we have the profile picture, and you can definitely choose your profile picture if you have. Sorry, where we are. Okay, you can change your profile picture on Gravatar. Okay, Gravatar we have to change it. So for before that I will just save it. Also you can see choose SEO settings are here, title for the use for author page, meta description to use for the author page. Okay, I will just okay, so now I have just configured the avatar gravatar here, and whenever you will add a new gravatar, and make sure that your email address should be the same which you will use here in the in your details. Okay, this one. So whatever your email is, that right, and then you will click on this image, and then here for this email ID you will just click on confirm, and now it is confirmed. And if we refresh this panel, after some time the avatar will be visible, hopefully. So in this way you can actually change the author details and the avatar as well. Okay, so after some time hopefully it will be visible here on the pages. That's it. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.